splashy splash, splash, splow.
Deep in the beautiful blue ocean lives a very special little shark who loves to learn. Hi friends, I am Little Splashy, and today I am going to learn my ABCs. Want to learn with me?
Wow! A is for apple. B. The letter B. B is for bubbles. C, C, C. Splashy loves the letter C. A, B, C, come and see. We're dancing and swimming in the deep blue sea.
Splash, splash, splash. B is for bubble. Splash, splash, splash. C is for coral. Splash, splash, splash. Little Splashy loves ABC. A, B, C, splash. A, B, C, splash. Come and learn your ABC with Little Splashy, that is me. A, clap your fins. Apple, apple, apple. B, blow a bubble. Bubble, bubble, bubble. C, swim around. Coral, coral, coral. A, B, C with Little Splashy, yay! Now you know ABC. You are smart as smart can be. Come back soon and you will see D, E, F with you and me. Splash, splash, splash.